amalokishi exists because abantu bebasuka emakhaya and bazospana wherever amalokishi are based and realize ukuthi oh they also need ukuba nekhaya la. So our next song speaks on exactly that, ukuthi umuntu ofere and manje usekhumbule emadladleni. Sanibonani, shafele ninjani bafethu, nibingelelwa yimi umZulu omSuthu, umSuthu wasenquthu, Thuto Tsotetsi, Strateng Bampitsa Two Dope. Vandaag siniphathele olunye uhlelo lomculo and stuff. Kule hlelo lanamhlanje sisaniphathele yena uTPLR. Vandaag sinilethele i-track lakhe abalibiza iRetabeng, lu-track number 2 lapha kwi-project yakhe iMutheo. And iMutheo-ke kulaba abangacavi ichaza ukuthi foundation, uyangithola, which is more like i-stepisi or type of thing, Spanish ukukhuphuka. iRetabeng kusho ukuthi manje i-track eliringa ngomuzwa womuntu o like i-feeling yakhona, angithola ukuthi umuntu okukuthi ophutse emakhaya, angithola njengoba isho nayo ukuthi gophutse haya mushweshwe Retabeng. Futhi manje lana umjida njengoba bengishilo-ke ukuthi waseLesotho, and iLesotho is famously known as Fatselamrana Musheshwe. So he's still on that tip yokuthi ukhumbule ekhaya. So nanoma ubani angayithatha lale ngilena, mhlawumbe asebenzise ngokwesigodi sangakubo or ngokwendawo yangakubo, noma mhlawumbe abize inkosi yangakubo, ngoba mina la ngiqhamuka khona okuyisendaweni yasenquthu, inkosi engiphethe umlefe. So I could say ukuthi gophutse haya mushweshwe, gophutse haya hamulefe, you understand, because entweni emakhaya kunenkosi esiphethe. And then even if you're not from emakhaya or ubuya elokishini or wherever you're from, but usekuphandeni or uvava and you're just doing your thing, this is a song that gives a sense of just remembering home. You know, it doesn't even have to be intaba, it can be itrata, understand, ukhumbule emakhaya, so ukhumbule vava, njengala ngikhona mina eLehaya where I'm based is kusema-4. So if I'm ePitori or I'm somewhere else, I would be umuntu ukhumbule entweni ema-4. I remember when I was living in Vaal, yeah, I used to khumbula ekhaya quite frequently, you know. So nale ngoma le iyavayelana nakho lokho, I understand ukuthi it's just about remembering home and knowing ukuthi wherever you are, abakini basakuthwele and they believe in what you're doing, so you need to believe even more, you understand, and then show ukuthi uyaphokopela, you just keep on going forward. So for me now, that's what my first stand is from the song. And without just ukuyidonsa kade, sizwenza esidume ngakho and give a person an opportunity na ukuthi azirayithele. So njengoba ngicava-ke siqala nge-rhythm, and then i-rhythm for i-track ithola u-25%, because it is, I don't really know how to describe uTPLR. I'm not sure whether he's a hip-hop person or ushapa Koreana, but essentially whatever he's doing is really dope, you know, and the people that he works with always ensure that they get him on lock, because isound yakhe say consistent, you know, and they are one. So for i-rhythm, i-project ilithola 25%. And then when it comes to lyrical content, it also gets a 25%, because it says Retabeng and he ensures ukuthi he, you know, he reprises indaba yaseRetabeng to keep it emqondo nomuntu ukuthi this is what I'm essentially talking about, and you can also take whatever you want to take from this song and make it your own. Bese when we get to criteria S3, which is the production, i-track le-produce uTroy no-DJ Zaka. And DJ Zaka siyamazi amagalelo akhe maningi on some other songs that have been big from other artists njengabo Ntate Stana. Then with that, the production gets 25% as well, because as bengisho, it's on par with ukuba Koreana, and then it's still on par with Ismanje Manje. It doesn't sway, you understand, it clearly ndawonye, in a sense that everybody can relate to it. When they listen to it, you can move in any way. This is also criteria for, which is arrangement, considering all of these other criteria as I mentioned. Ngalokho sosho-ke ukuthi i-track lihlanganise zonke izinto brand, because malingena lingena ngebeat kuphela, and it allows umuntu to just let it simmer before kuzoqala into ebhayo, and then as soon as he goes in, he's emphasizing the point, and ngithola i-hook yakhona is consistent throughout the song, so it's not something you can easily forget. So with that, we give it a 25% as well. But njengoba sihlezi sisho, that's just our opinion. So cela nje ukuthi umuntu ezigaya isikhathi and head on to ama-DSPs avayo streamer i-project likamjida idithabeng itholakala ku-track number 2, and yeah, there's quite a lot, you know. So thank you very much. Asibonge. Danko means thank you.